So hi all, welcome to the YouTube channel Mechanical Engineers. So in our previous video, we discussed about the introduction to pumps. So what are pumps and what are the types of pumps? So basically we discussed the two types of pump. First is the dynamic pressure pump and second is the positive displacement pump. So today we shall be discussing more about the positive displacement pumps and its types. I'm sharing my screen. As you can see in the screen, so basically, the pumps are categorized into two types: the positive dynamic pressure pumps, and second is the positive displacement pumps. So today we'll be focusing on positive displacement pumps. So positive displacement pumps. So as the name is quite descriptive, positive displacement pumps delivers a fixed volume. This volume can be either more or less. So the volumetric rate is determined by the displacement per cycle of the moving member. This moving member can be either a rotating or a reciprocating. So the flow capacity is fixed by the design size, operating speed of the pump, and the pressure is determined by the flow resistance of the system in which the pump is installed, and is also limited by the driving motor size. If the motor rating is less, then if the pressure will be less, and if motor rating is more, the pressure will be more. And but it is very important to note here that in a positive displacement pump, it is very you should never close the valve until and unless discharge valve until and unless there is a recirculation valve which is kept open, because that can lead to significant damage to the internal structure of the pump. So this is the first type. The positive displacement pumps. The first category is reciprocating pumps. So the pumping in the reciprocating pumps, the pumping takes place by to and fro motion of the piston or a diaphragm in the cylinder. So it is usually basically it is used for pumping of the small quantity of fluid, and where the delivery pressure is quite high. So again, this reciprocating pumps are again categorized into two types. First is the piston type, and second is the diaphragm pump type. So in the piston pipe pump, there is an high pressure seal that reciprocates within the piston. The pump has a piston cylinder arrangement. As you can see in this picture, there is a cylinder and there is a piston inside the cylinder. So this pump has a piston cylinder arrangement. As the piston goes away from the delivery stroke, the low pressure is created in the cylinder, which opens the suction valve. And on the forward stroke, the fluid is filled inside the cylinder and is compressed and the in turn opens the delivery valve for the delivery of the fluid. Similarly, in the diaphragm pumps are used as a combination of reciprocating action of the rubber or thermostatic or a Teflon diaphragm, and suitable with a non-return check valve to the to pump a fluid. Sometimes these pumps are also called membrane pumps. So basically, in industries, you must have seen the AOD pumps, air operated diaphragm pumps. So basically, the air operated diaphragm pumps works on this their same principle. In those pumps, we have those Teflon diaphragms, and the non-return check valves are used. So whenever there is a suction has to be take place, the diaphragm air pressure presses the diaphragm, and the volume is taken in, and at the discharge, the this diaphragm get open, and the fluid is discharged at the higher pressure. So thank you for watching the video. In our next video, we shall be covering the next category of the pumps, which is rotary pumps.